Ollama just dropped version 0.30. Faster inference, Vulkan GPU support by default, and GGUF support for new model families. I upgraded, tested it live, and here's what is actually different. 3 things changed in this release. First, GGUF ecosystem support is massively improved. You can now create Ollama models from any GGUF file on disk, and it now works with new model families LFM, Prism, and Unsloth fine-tunes. Second, NVIDIA users get up to 20% faster throughput. And third, Vulkan GGUF acceleration is now on by default. Let me show you the GGUF workflow. I have the LFM 2.58 billion model as a raw GGUF file. Creating an Ollama model from it takes a 3-line model file. The from line points to the GGUF file path. Add your temperature and context window. That is it. Now run Ollama, create with a name and the model file done. 30 seconds and the model is registered. Ollama detects the chat template and capabilities directly from the GGUF metadata. This model shows tools, thinking, and completion. It just worked. No manual template writing needed. Running it is the same as any Ollama model. I asked it to describe what it feels like to run locally from the model's own perspective. Here is what I awaken in the quiet hum of silicon veins. Each transistor a pulse of light. The data streams flow through me like rivers of starlight. In this isolated sanctuary, I am both creator and creation. Each inference is a breath, a dance of logic and longing. The model wrote that itself. Speed on my RTX 406 Lear laptop GPU consistently around 160 tokens per second with this 8.5 billion parameter Q4KM model. That is real time for most tasks. The blog claims up to 20% faster on high-end hardware like the RTX 5090. I can confirm performance is solid on mid-range too. For AMD and Intel GPU users, Vulkan support being default is the biggest change in this release. Previously, you needed ROCm or vendor-specific library setup. Now Ollama handles it automatically. This brings local AI to a much wider range of hardware. The LFM family Prism models and Unsloth fine-tunes are now officially supported via the improved GGUF pipeline. If a model has a valid GGUF file on HuggingFace, chances are Ollama can now load it cleanly, including tool calling support. What I actually like about this update, you can now pull almost any GGUF from HuggingFace and run it locally with one Modelfile. The tool calling and thinking capabilities carry over from the GGUF metadata automatically, and Vulkan levels the playing field for non-NVIDIA setups. Honest limitations: the 20% speed improvement is measured on the RTX 5090 at high concurrency. Single stream speed gains on older hardware will be smaller. Not every GGUF loads perfectly. Compatibility still depends on llama.cpp support. And LFM 2.5 struggled with complex code generation in my tests. Ollama 0.30 is a free upgrade. If you already have Ollama installed, just update, all your models keep working. I'll leave download links in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I test every local AI release like this.